So you are all set to take the reading work keys test in place of your reading SOL test in a few weeks. And since I'm out at the tech center today scoring some essays, I'm going to leave you some video instructions on how to get signed in and start working in this program so you can get ready for your test. When you're in the Brookville High School homepage, which should be what opens when you open a browser, if you open Firefox or Google Chrome, you're going to want to find the WorkKeys curriculum. I have it here on the right side of my screen, but also if you scroll down, these items are all listed in alphabetical order. So just click on WorkKeys curriculum. And then you're going to sign in. You already have an account. When you get to this point, put in your school email and your school password. So yours should be your first two initials, last name, and last two numbers of your graduation year at campbellstudent.com. Your password should be CCS and your lunch number. You'll click sign in from here. You can pause this video at any time if you need to go back a step. Once you are in to the WorkKeys curriculum, you want to click on My Courses, and you're working for the reading test in this first one that's called WorkKeys Curriculum Workplace Documents, levels 3 through 7. So you'll open that up. It might ask you to change the date here, so you can just put in the end of February. So put in February 28th if it asks you to do that. You want to take the placement quiz. So click here in the left on quizzes and scroll down if you need to until you see this placement quiz. Go ahead and open that up and click the blue button to start the quiz. So you'll read these kind of workplace documents. There'll be memos and emails, and answer the questions, multiple choice. This will give me an idea and you an idea of the level that you need to start working at.